Hi there, good evening.
Good evening, Olive and Vine. How can I help you?
I am hoping to make a reservation for this Saturday. Is that something you can help me with?
Of course, I would be happy to. How many people will you be dining with?
There will be six of us.
And what time were you thinking?
We were really hoping for 8 o'clock if that is possible.
Let me check availability for Saturday at 8 for 6 people. One moment. Unfortunately, we are fully booked at 8 o'clock on Saturday. I'm sorry about that.
Oh, that is a shame. What about 7:30 or anywhere in that range?
7:30 is also fully booked, I'm afraid. I do have availability at 6:45, and then the next slot after that would be 8:45.
6:45 is quite early for our group. Is there genuinely nothing between 7 and 8:30?
Actually, hold on. I have just had a cancellation come through for 7:15. It literally just came in. Would that work for you?
7:15 would actually be perfect. Yes, let us go with that.
Wonderful. Now, for a party of 6 at 7:15, that would be one of our larger tables. Can I ask, will you be wanting indoor or outdoor seating? We do have a terrace.
What is the weather forecast looking like for Saturday? I honestly have no idea.
I wish I knew. We are expecting it to be dry but quite cool in the evening. Most of our outdoor guests this time of year do end up moving inside after a while. I would probably suggest indoor to be safe.
Indoor is fine. Yes, let us do that.
Perfect. Can I take a name for the reservation?
Yes, it is Carter, Carter.
Carter, lovely. And a contact number?
Of course, it is 077 009
Got that? Do any of your party have dietary requirements we should be aware of?
Yes, two of us are vegetarian, and one person has a serious nut allergy. I really want to make sure that gets flagged clearly.
Absolutely. I am noting it down right now. 2 vegetarians and 1 severe nut allergy. Our kitchen is very thorough with allergies, and the chef will be briefed before you arrive.
That is really reassuring. Thank you.
Of course. One more thing. Can I ask, is this for any special occasion?
It is actually a birthday dinner. My friend is turning 30.
Oh, how lovely. I will add that to the booking. We always try to do something small for birthdays. Nothing is guaranteed, but we like to make it feel special.
That is so kind. And will I receive a confirmation of some kind?
Yes, you will get a confirmation text within the next hour to the number you gave me. And we do ask that if anything changes and you cannot make it, please let us know as early as possible so we can release the table.
Absolutely, of course. That is completely fair.
Brilliant. So to confirm, table for 6 this Saturday at 7:15. Under Carter, 2 vegetarians, 1 serious nut allergy, birthday dinner, indoor seating. Is there anything else I can help with?
No, I think that covers everything. Thank you so much. You have been incredibly helpful.
It is my pleasure. We look forward to seeing you all on Saturday. Have a lovely evening. Goodbye.
You too. Thank you. Goodbye.